Hi, I'm Ferris J, helping pets and their people to heal. In this video, I'm going to answer a question one of my subscribers asked, which was, could I make an EFT tapping video for pets that weren't getting on? So here is how I would approach that. Number one, if you know my videos, you know exactly what I'm going to say. Number one, you work on your reactions to that issue. So how you feel when you say you have two dogs and they're fighting, how does it make you feel? Do you feel really bad for one of them or frustrated at the other one? This is going to be at the core of it, is how you feel about it. What is your reaction and your response to it? So that is where I would start with tapping. And then once you've done that, then you can start tapping with each of them. And I would also recommend using the heart connection too. I have a free video series that shows the heart connection and simple tapping and visualization, and they are the three things you'd use. Use the tapping for yourself, for your emotions, then do the heart connection and do the tapping with both of them. So you're feeling neutral before you tap for them, then you tap with each of them individually, and then you can do the visualization process of how you would like them to be with each other and with you. And that's really important, because once you've cleared the emotions and you've started to check in with them, you want to show them how you want things to be. You want to show them the desired outcome, and then you've all got something to work towards. So I won't go through full rounds, and I am making a course that will show quite specifically how to do this kind of tapping. I know I've been saying it for a while, but it really is going to come out soon. But for now, we'll do it. Start with how you're feeling. If you're watching this, you're in that situation. How does it make you feel when they're fighting or they're not getting on? So if you notice, write down what's the main one emotion that you're feeling. You might notice you feel it somewhere in your body. So say you feel upset when one picks on the other. So you're gonna rate your number. You can do, I'm feeling upset. It makes me feel upset when I see that. I feel so upset when I see them fighting. Or it might be frightened. I'm frightened they might actually hurt each other. It feels awful. It's awful to have to watch that. I just feel so bad. Oh, it's so hard to watch that. And there you're just acknowledging, you're working through those emotions. And I will keep repeating that tapping until you're a bit neutralized. To be more specific, I'd probably recommend tapping on past events as well. But then say that you're neutral, and then you can say connect with one of them and do the tapping for them. After the heart connection, I love you very much. I love you so much. I see you're not getting on with your friend. I see, either you're fighting with them or it looks like they're picking on you, whatever it is you're noticing. And, and then you can start to express. It's really like animal communication through tapping. You're saying to them, I see you're not getting on. I'd really love to find a way for you guys to get on okay. I'd really love to find a way for you two to get on. I'd love to find that. And then you can do the same with the other pet and tap with them. So maybe one seems to be victim, one seems to be aggressor. You can go in that way. Oh, I see, you seem to be running away from them. You seem to be shy at them. And you can send love and healing energy to help them in the moment, sending you love and healing energy to help you feel okay. And we're going to find a way to work through this. We're going to find a way to find balance between you both. So you do that type of tapping with your pets, and then you can visualize how would you like them to be with each other. And then you can even do the heart connection and show them both that visualization. That's the type of work I do with my pet guardians, and it has amazing results. The animals just pick up on it so well. It can be like magic. It can change things in a few days or a few weeks, and especially if you're consistent. Consistency is key, and go into it gently with an open and curious mind, always being open for possibilities and solutions and change. I've been First J. If you've liked this, you can subscribe here if you're on YouTube, give it a like, and subscribe to the free video series where I demonstrate some of those techniques, and that way you will be informed when the new course comes out, which should be at the latest summer 2025. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.